Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking out the DJI Mavic Mini 2 with the 4K camera. You can see I got the cover on it. And we're going to take it out and film some of the, film the Crown Vic with it and see how it does. Today is a gloomy day, so hopefully we'll be able to get at least some decent footage. But other than that, stay tuned and we'll get to it. Thank you for watching the video. If you made it to the end, leave down in the comment section below what you guys think. Did it get some good footage? And any improvements that we probably can do. I will do a different scenery with the Crown Vic. It's just something I did, because right now the weather is not at its best, so I decided I'll take it, give it a shot. But we'll get some different scenery, backgrounds with the car, and do some higher shots with the car rolling and things like that we'll film with this drone here. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.